हम जोधपुर से जयपुर जाते टाइम रास्ते में लंच के लिए एक गांव में रुके थे। जिनके खेत में हमने लंच किया था वो एक रिटायर्ड मिलिट्री ऑफिसर थे। उन्होंने हमसे काफ़ी देर बातें की और उनके खेत भी घुमाए। The Ajmer Sharif Dargah is considered to be the holiest Muslim shrines in India and is also a famous landmark in Ajmer. Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, the Sufi saint from Persia, is enshrined here. In keeping with his secular teachings, its doors are open to all the faiths and religions. The Albert Hall Museum in Jaipur is the oldest museum of the state and functions as the State Museum of Rajasthan. The building is situated in Ram Nivas Garden outside the city wall. It is also called the Government Central Museum. The museum has a rich collection of artifacts including paintings, jewelry, carpets, ivory, stone, metal sculptures and works in crystal. After doing lunch in Masala Chowk, we headed towards Jantar Mantar. The Jantar Mantar is a collection of 19 astronomical instruments built by Rajput King Savai Jai Singh II, the founder of Jaipur, Rajasthan. The monument was completed in 1734. It features the world's largest stone and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is located near City Palace and Hawa Mahal. The instruments allow the observation of astronomical positions with the naked eye. The City Palace established at the same time as the city of Jaipur. Among the various forts and palaces of Jaipur, City Palace stands apart with its outstanding art and architecture. Hawa Mahal was built in 1799 by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh. It has 953 windows on the outside walls. The honeycomb-shaped and beautifully carved windows allow the breeze to blow through the palace and make it a perfect summer palace. The original intent of the lattice design was to allow royal ladies to observe everyday life and festivals celebrated in the street below without being seen. Many people see the Hawa Mahal from the street view and think it is the front of the palace, but it is the back. Jal Mahal is known as the Water Palace and is considered one of the most beautiful architectural palace. It provides a charming view of Mansagar Lake and Nahargarh hills that border it. Amer Fort is also known as the Amber Fort, is one of the well-known and most visited forts in India. The magnificent Amer Fort is an extensive palace complex that has been built with pale yellow and pink sandstone and with white marble. There are a lot of attractions for one to see at the Amer Fort, including the Diwan-e-Am, different mandirs, and the Sheesh Mahal. Amer Fort is also home to underground tunnels that connect Amer to Jaigarh Fort. A part of this tunnels has been restored and is now open to the public as well. Birla Temple, originally known as Lakshmi Narayan Temple, and is situated below the Moti Dungri Fort. The temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu and goddesses Lakshmi. It was made up of white marble and is visited by thousands of devotees every day. World Trade Park is a famous shopping, recreational, and entertainment hub. It is one of the largest malls in India. It was opened for the public in 2012. Its construction took 2 years to complete with a cost of 350 crores for its establishment. Just few minutes away, there is a GT Bazaar for you. Today, GT is a part of Jaipur's vibrant lifestyle. It is famous amongst youth for shopping, food joints, and a hangout place. Next morning, we will be heading towards Delhi, but on the way, we will also visit Bhangar. It is one of the most haunted places in India.